Connect an HDMI display to a Mini DisplayPort source with audio. USB audio pass-through ideal for older MDP computers where audio was not supported through the Mini DisplaPort port such as 2009 Unibody MacBook Pro, 2009 MacBook Passive DP++, supports HDTV resolutions up to 1080p. Thunderbolt to HDMI compatible. Connects to your Laptop Thunderbolt port. Mini DisplaPort to HDMI, MDP to HDMI, Mini DP to HDMI, Mini DP to HDTV, MDP to HDTV, Thunderbolt to HDTV. Simply plug in the USB and Mini DisplayPort connectors to a PC or Mac and the HDMI connector to an HDMI television monitor. 2-channel analog audio will pass through to the HDMI connection, delivering sound to the display side, with the convenience of one HDMI cable. Top reviews from the United States. Works for an older MacBook, plug and play. Worked as advertised for an older MacBook that did not support audio over MDP to HDMI connector. Had it shipped to a non-technical person and it was pretty much plug and play.